Hello everyone, James's Railway Adventures here, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my good friends from the island of Sodor, Oliver the Little Western Engine. Let's take a look at his box first. So, on the back of the box we've got some other characters who were available at the time. So we've got Thomas, Percy, James, Doc, Toby, Gordon, Bill, and Ben. And on the side of the box, we've got Oliver's loco code. So his one is R9070. Anyway, let's open this up. Okay, now that we have Oliver out of his box, let me tell you some stuff about him. So, Oliver the Little Western Engine is my favorite character in Thomas and Friends, and the Holy Oliver was planned to be released in 2004 but was pushed to 2005. I don't really know why. Anyway, let me give you some history on Oliver. So, Oliver was built in 1934 as part of the Great Western 4800's 042 tank engine, and his class were renumbered to the 1400s in 1946 since the Great Western Railway 2800-280 goods locomotives since some of them were converted to oil burning, and they were reclassed as the 4800s. And in 1967, Oliver made his escape to the Northwestern Railway, where he works on the Little Western with his cousin Duck, and that is where Oliver works to this day. Something else cool about Oliver is that Oliver was based on a steam engine that existed in real life. And yes, Wilbert Autry confirms that Oliver is the Great Western Railway's 1436. And right here is the real Oliver, before going to Sodor, of course, wearing his original Great Western number 1436. However, the real 1436 was scrapped in 1958, a whole 9 years before Oliver made his escape to Sodor. And if that is the case, that is a secret Oliver will take to his grave. Plus, Bachmann have done Oliver too, however, the Bachmann one looks more like his CGI render, and who knows, maybe I might get the Bachmann Oliver one day and I'll do a comparison video. Wouldn't that be interesting? I have to admit, Oliver does have some nice details. We've got his safety valve, his whistle, his number 11, his Great Western Crest, his handrails on the cab, the boiler, smoke box, and oh, it's just something. I don't know if you guys can see, but one of his handrail pegs digs into his forehead, so I don't know why they couldn't have just put that on top of his smoke box in front of his funnel like the CGI series. I mean, aside from that, this model looks pretty good. Anyway, Oliver, are you ready for a test run? Haha, that's the spirit, Oliver. A little peep peep for confidence. Anyway, let's begin. Okay, before I give Oliver some wagons, let's see how good of a crawl he can do. Before I do so, does his rear wheels have pickups? Oh, so they do. Right, let's test your crawl then, Oliver. You know, despite being a 20-year-old model, this is nice and smooth and quiet. Forwards now. Just the camera for you. Super smooth, really. Right then, forwards once more. Alright then, Oliver, time to give you some trucks. Okay, I've given Oliver a short goods train with his loyal brake van towed at the back. Alright, Oliver, off you go. Right, so I think on the inside line I should run the real Oliver. Right then, let's do this. Overall, that has been my review of the Hornby Oliver the Little Western engine. Till next time, this is James's Railway Adventures, and I'll see you somewhere down the tracks. Dry rails and smooth running. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.